And you mentioned it before, but has he knowingly engaged in criminal conduct that has resulted in his conviction for an offense or confinement in prison and made him unable to take care of his daughter?
Yes.
Okay. And again, you mentioned that was for about a 5-year period?
Yes.
And based on this information, are you asking the judge to terminate his rights?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, is your child Indian?
No.
Okay. And in regards to your daughter's medical history, because she is your biological child, are you familiar with her medical needs?
Yes.
Okay. And did you, in regards to the adoption, how long have you and Mr. Phillips been married?
For 5 years, going on 6 years this year.
And has he acted as a father figure to your daughter?
Yes, since the age of 4.
Okay. And is your daughter aware that he would like to adopt her?
Yes.
And to your understanding, is she in agreement with this adoption?
Yes.
Okay. And in regards to your husband, has he lived in the home with your daughter for at least 6 months?
Yes.
And did you all complete an adoption evaluation through court services?
Yes.
And to your understanding, has that been filed with the court?
Yes.
And in regards to background check of Bruce Phillips, was that also conducted from court services?
Yes.
And from your understanding through court services report, has that also been filed?
Yes.
And did you also complete any type of criminal history background information?
Yes, we did.
Okay. And your daughter's older than 12?
Yes.
Okay. And do you think that this is in the best interest of your daughter to have your current husband adopt her?
Yes.
Okay. Now, of course, this court, well, Dallas had continuing jurisdiction, but prior to filing this lawsuit, did you live in Dallas County?
Yes.
And was that for a period of more than 6 months?
Yes.
Okay. And Layla is your biological child, is that correct?
Yes.
And she's also consenting to this adoption?
Yes.
Okay, Yana, I'll pass this witness.
Okay. You can call your next witness.
Thank you. I would like to call Mr. Phillips. Can you hear me, Mr. Phillips?
I'm present. I can hear you.
Good. How are you today?
Tired?
Did you just get off work?
Yes.
Okay. So I know I've said your name, but would you go ahead and please announce it on the record?
There's Bruce Divine Phillips.
Okay. And are you currently married to Jackie Phillips?
Yes.
And have you lived in the household with her and Layla for more than a 6-month period?
I have. Yes.
And have you acted as a father figure to Layla?
Yes.
And how would you describe you all's relationship?
Let's see. We laugh, we play, we joke with each other. We have a father-daughter relationship.
Good. And is it so good that you would like to adopt her today?
Definitely.
Okay. And did you complete an adoption evaluation through Dallas County Court Services?
Yes.
And did they also do a background check on you?
Yes.
And to your understanding, have those things been filed with the court?
Yes.
Okay. And you also lived in Dallas County for the 6-month period preceding the filing of this lawsuit, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And you do understand that if you adopt Layla, she will now become legally your daughter, as if she was born from you or to you.
Real? No, yes, that is correct.
Okay, and is this what you want?
Correct. Yes,
And do you also believe that it's in Layla's best interest?
I do.
Okay, Your Honor, I'll pass this witness.
Thank you. Does that conclude your testimony for today?
Well, I just wanted to speak with Layla briefly.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Layla, how are you?
Good.
Good. Would you like for Mr. Phillips to adopt you?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the relationship that you have with Mr. Phillips?
Yes.
Do you feel that he loves you?
Yes.
Does he take good care of you?
Yes.
Good. And do you love him?
Yes.
And are you asking that this adoption be granted?
Yes.
Okay, you are absolutely beautiful, and I thank you for your help today in your testimony. Your Honor, I'll pass this witness.
Thank you. I have a couple of questions for Layla. Layla, do you like the Dallas Cowboys?
No.
You don't? You're an Eagles fan like your dad's shirt?
Yes.
Oh, this isn't gonna work. He's a bad influence on you. I'm just kidding. Congratulations to the entire family. The court finds that the respondent, Mario Antonio Granados, was served with a copy of the original petition. He failed to file an answer and make any appearance with it of any sort in this case, so he is defaulted. The court finds that it's in the best interest of the child to terminate the parent-child relationship and to proceed with the adoption by Bruce Phillips of Layla Phillips. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I do have one more request. So I have all these nice, cute little beanie babies that are in my courtroom. And because everybody is, doing the adoptions virtually, the kids aren't able to get them. So I just ask that at some point you all bring Layla down here so I can meet her and so she can pick her own beanie baby.
Okay, thank you. That sounds amazing.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Congratulations again. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Judge Bailey. Appreciate your
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank
Have
you.
a good weekend, but I don't like the
You're making
Sorry
us
to hear
look
that.
bad, Mr. Phillips. You're making us look bad.
That means I must be doing my job right, because
Well, I'll give you a pass because I saw that you're from New York, so you don't know any better. All right. Y'all have a
Thank
good
you so much.
weekend. You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Judge Bailey. Thank you so much.
You're
Yes,
welcome.
thank
Yeah,
you.
have a great
Because they're
day.
celebrating tonight. They're having a party to celebrate. All
Good.
Yeah.
right, well, have a
Thank
good
you
one.
so much. You as well. Bye-bye.
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 That's so sweet.
I know, you didn't get invited to the fandango?
Let's see. Let me allow her in. I'm just admit everybody.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you, Judge?
Doing good. We just finished an adoption, so it was really cute.
Nice.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Attorney Jose, I see you're here on DF 22-14864.
Yes, Judge. I am the attorney.
Okay, is your client? I don't know.
No, Judge. I know we reset this brew up about 2-3 weeks ago after waiting.
Well, whenever your client comes on, I'm ready to proceed. Is Mr. Murillo here for you?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Murillo.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good, good.
Always a pleasure to see you.
You too, you as well. Okay, so as soon as your client logs in, just message in the chat and I'll make sure to take your case up, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Let's see, DF 22-10369, Johnson.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good, good. Let me pull up your case. Take it. Let's see. Oh, and could you turn your camera on? You have to give some testimony for my court report, and she has to see your nice face. Okay. Okay, are you ready to proceed with your proof up this morning?
Yes.
Okay, do you have the questions in front of you, or would you like for me to ask those questions of you?
I would like for you to ask them.
Okay, all right. Those questions. All right, are you ready? Okay, we're on the record in cause number DF 2210369. Ms. Johnson, would you please state your name for the record?
Toycia Johnson.
All right, and you are the petitioner in this case, is that correct?
Yes.
You are currently married to Marcus Kelly, is it Egarton Jr.?
Egerton Jr.
Egerton Jr., thank you. You have been a resident and a domiciliary of Dallas County for the 6 months preceding the filing of this suit, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You and, let me go back. You and responding, you all were married on or about February 17th of 2022, is that correct?
Yes.
And since that time, you all separated and stopped living together, is that also correct?
Yes.
Has the marriage become insupportable because of discord or conflict of personalities between the two of you that have destroyed the legitimate ends of the marriage relationship?
Yes.
Is there any chance of reconciliation between the two of you?
No.
All right. There is a child that was born of this marriage, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. There is also an outline of the possession schedule in your divorce decree, is that also correct?
Yes.
You're asking this court to name you sole managing conservator of your son?
Yes.
Okay. And your son primarily lives with you, is that also correct?
Yes.
The respondent will have possession and access pursuant to the standard visitation schedule that you have attached to the decree, is that also correct?
Yes.
Child support will be ordered at $191 per month?
Yes. Well, he's incarcerated, so I guess it just continue afterwards, or I don't know how that exactly goes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes.
Okay. Your son is currently covered by Medicaid, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And you also understand that there's a cash medical reimbursement to Medicaid, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Do you believe that these orders are in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
Has there been any family violence in the 2 years preceding the filing of this case?
No.
You all do not have any community property, is that correct?
No.
You're asking the court to name your separate property, your spouse's separate property, his separate property, is that correct?
Yes.
Are you asking for a name change?
No, I didn't change my name.
Okay. Are you asking the court to grant your divorce today?
Yes.
All right. The court grants the divorce. The court also finds that the respondent was served with a copy of this petition July 18th of 2022. The return has been on file with the court since July 25th of 2022. Respondent failed to file an answer or make an appearance of any sort in this case and is thereby in default. The court has signed the order and has sent it to the clerk as well as the court coordinator, and you will receive a copy of it today. Do you have any questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, thank you. You may be excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Next case is DF 2202248. Is it Miss Attorney Aqua? Okay, I can't hear you. You're still on mute. I sent you a prompt to unmute.
Do you hear me now, Judge?
I do. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good, doing good. And I see your client is here. You all are doing the name change?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me pull your case up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, you ready to proceed?
Judge, just for housekeeping, we just realized that the name was misspelled on the first page of the order that I e-filed, but we just re-e-filed another one correcting it. So it's been submitted and I emailed a copy to Destiny to give to you in case, so we can prove up, but we just resubmitted an order correcting the name, so we don't have to do a non-proton.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me see. All right, I don't see it yet. I tell you what, I may be able to.
I have the envelope number.
Oh, no, you don't even have to do that.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. What's this case from DF 220224A? Okay, on which page?
The first page had an error, which the name was misspelled. Instead of B-U-T-L-E-R, it was B-E-T-L-E-R. So the new order that we just submitted has it corrected.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can correct it. It should be Butler.
Butler, right.
Okay, I can correct it right here. So you're fine.
Okay, yeah. And then also, the Holland has one L, not two L. We corrected it in the submitted order.
All right, let me correct it right now. So H-O-L-A-N-D.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, it's done.
Good, thank you.
You're welcome. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, we are on the record in cause number DF 2208322. Counsel, would you please state your name for the record?
Linda Aqua, attorney for petitioner David Lee Holland.
Okay, and Mr. Holland, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you'll give will be the truth and the whole truth? Oh, you have to unmute.
Can you hear me now?
I can.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You may lower your hand. Attorney Aqua, you may proceed.
Okay. Is your current name David Lee Holland?
Yes.
Are you the petitioner for this name change of adult?
Yes.
Is your driver's license 1066670? Let me see. Your driver's license is 106670766 Texas, correct?
It's 106-70766.
106-70766. Okay, so it's just 16.
Yes. Okay. I'm looking at it right now. Yep. 106-70766.
Okay, we have it. We have an extra 6 added. That can be corrected by the court. Thank you. And your social security number is 501-88-6452, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Are you a white male born November 29, 1959 in St. Paul Hospital, Texas, and named David Lee Butler?
Yes.
And you were later adopted by Roy Welder Holland in North Dakota?
Yes.
And
1970.
Excuse me?
In 1970.
In 1970, correct. And you later moved back to Texas and continued with the name Butler as an adult, correct?
Correct.
And you have completed a criminal background in that name, correct?
Correct.
And you had some criminal convictions in Texas, also in that name, correct?
Correct.
And you are requesting the court to change your name back to your biological name, last name?
Yes, correct.
Are you requesting this name change to avoid creditors or criminal prosecution?
No.
and your fingerprint has been returned to the court, correct?
That's what I'm told, yes.
Your Honor, that's all I have for this witness.
Okay. The court accepts the testimony. The court will grant the name change. So Mr. Holland's name of David Lee Holland, Holand, is now changed to David Lee Butler. The court has signed the order and has sent a copy of it to the clerk as well as the coordinator, so you'll receive a copy of it today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the driver's license, the 16, was it corrected?
I believe I just did that. Let me just double check.
106-70766.
Okay, okay, 16.
Yes, 16, not 26.
Yes, I have it.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You all have a great weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. You're welcome. Oops. All right, next we have DF 2216222.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Blessed, I'm here. How are you?
Good, good. Let me pull up your case.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually in the park now.
Okay, I'll wait until you park and then we'll start.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry about that.
No problem. Oops.
All right.
I'm parked.
Okay. Second, I'm trying to find where I put your order. There we go. Okay, and do you want me to ask you the questions for your prove up today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. We're on the record in cause number DF 2216222. Would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. Dominique Walker.
Okay, Ms. Walker, and you are currently married to Stanley Walker, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The two of you were married on or about November 18th of 2016, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You have been a resident and domiciliary of Dallas County for 6 months preceding the filing of this divorce case, is that correct?
You said I was who?
You lived in Dallas County and you were a resident and were domiciled in Dallas County for the 6 month preceding the filing of this suit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. Walker was served by posting, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That citation was posted on April the 6th of 2023 here at the George Allen Courts building, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And to your knowledge, the return of service has been on file with the court since April the 12th of 2023, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Were there any children born of this marriage?
No, ma'am.
Were any children adopted during the marriage?
No, ma'am.
Are you pregnant at this time?
No, ma'am.
All right. The marriage has become insupportable because of discord or conflict of personalities between the two of you and has destroyed the legitimate ends of the marriage relationship. Is that true?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any chance of reconciliation?
No, ma'am.
All right. Was there any community property developed between you and your spouse?
No, ma'am.
All right. Are you asking the court to award you your separate property and award Mr. Walker his separate property?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking for a name change?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is your current name? And would you please spell it out for my court reporter?
Yes, ma'am. My current name is Sharmanique Bernice Walker, SHARManiqueBerniceWalker.
Okay. And you're asking that your name is changed to Sharmanique Bernice Taylor. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you asking the court to grant your divorce today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The court finds that Mr. Walker is proper before the court, did not make an appearance in this case and has defaulted. The court grants the divorce as well as the name change. The order and the statement of evidence has been signed and sent to the court coordinator as well as the court clerk, and you will receive a copy of it sometime today.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I don't think they're going. Could you please unmute yourself, the one that says Roz iPhone? Here, I'll send you a prompt.
There you go, Your Honor.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How are yourself?
Good, good. Is Miss Attorney Avila, are you representing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I was trying to put everybody together.
Yes,
like,
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me pull it up. I guess we've been working too much this morning. Odyssey decided it wanted to crash on me.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready to proceed with the name change?
Yes.
All right, you ready? We are on the record in cause number DF22083222. Counsel, would you go ahead and state your name for the record?
Carolina, attorney for the petitioner, Robert Nelson.
Okay. All right, Mr. Nelson, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you'll give will be the truth and the whole truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You may lower your hand. Attorney Avila, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Please state your current full name for the record.
Robert James Eli Nelson.
What was your gender at birth?
Male.
What is your date of birth?
August 3rd, 1983.
What city and state were you born in?
Houston, Texas.
What is the name that you are requesting to change your name to?
Ra Shiva Fadi.
Why are you requesting to change your name?
I want to carry my ancestral name.
Have you ever been convicted of a felony?
No.
Are you or have you ever been a registered sex offender?
No.
Has a copy of your background check been filed with this court?
Yes.
Has a copy of your fingerprints been filed with this court?
Yes.
Are you requesting the same change for the purpose of falsifying records to avoid any debt or for any other wrongful, fraudulent, or capricious act?
No.
Is the requested name change in your best interest?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to grant your order for a name change today?
Yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Pass the witness.
Thank you. The court grants the order for the name change. It has been signed, submitted to the coordinator as well as the court clerk for uploading on the computer, and you will receive a copy of it today.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You all, thank you.
Your Honor.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh, Judge, I'm still waiting for my client. He's on his way apparently. So sorry.
No, you're okay. He's just delaying you. I have to be here.
I told him if he's not going to show up today, I will be withdrawing from his case because he came last week to my office. We gave him information. Like suddenly, I don't know.
Okay. Well, we'll be here.
Yeah. Thank you, Judge, for understanding.
Oh, no problem. Did Mr. Murillo leave?
He had another engagement, so he told me the moment my client appears, and I just have to text him. He can, come back, I guess.
Okay,
So.
sounds good. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Okay. here in person on this one because I'm still streaming on the YouTube. So you ready? All right, we're on the record in cause number DF 2202000201. This is a petition for termination of parental rights. Would councils please announce themselves for the record?
Alberto Herrera representing Monique Shao.
Okay,
Blanca Espinosa appointed to represent, amicus appointed for the child.
okay. Would everyone who intends to testify, please raise your right hand?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, let me back up. I represent Oneida Shao. I also represented her mother 20-something years ago, so I've got Monique in the brain. So Oneida Shao.
Spell that for the court reporter.
Oneyda Shao SCHOW.
Thank you. All right, so everyone who intends to testify, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you will give will be the truth and the whole truth? Okay, you may lower your hand. You may proceed.
Ma'am, please tell the court your name. Ma'am, do you have a child, a male child named Byron Aguinagua, born on April 19, 2011?
Yes.
And this is his father, Luis Everardo Aguinagua Diaz?
Yes.
And he's been served with this lawsuit, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and your child, does he have any property?
No.
Okay, and is there any protective order statement pending?
No.
And you're asking the court to terminate Mr. Aguinagua's rights, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and has he left him alone in your possession for more than a year?
Yes.
Has he failed to support him for more than a year? Has he created any dangerous circumstances that endanger the child? Do you know if he's has he used controlled substances near the child?
Yes.
And is he also guilty of an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and he's serving time in prison for it?
Yes.
Okay. And in the past, although you did not file charges, he committed multiple acts of family violence against you.
Yes.
Okay. Are you concerned that are you wanting your child not to be around Mr. Aguinagua anymore?
Yes.
And Mr. Aguinagua has not been present? Has he tried to reach out to you?
Yeah.
Have you tried to find him? Have you tried to find him?
Oh, yes.
There we go. Have you reached out to his family, his friends?
No, not the friend, but the family. We lost contact regarding this altercation.
And how long have you been separated from Mr. Aguinagua? How many years?
Since been more than probably since
Give me the numbers.
10.
10 years. And you're currently married to Mr. Shaw.
Yes.
Okay.
Scout.
Yeah, forgive me, I would say that wrong. And you are looking to adopt this child from Mr. Shaw, correct? Okay. And you think that's interesting? And then you also change the child's name currently from Byron Aguinagua to Byron Shaw.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. And you think that's in his best interest? That's what you're asking the court today.
Yes.
That's important, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
You understand what you're doing by terminating or by asking to terminate rights? What about how it could affect the child's, identity or sense of who his dad is or who his biological father is? Yeah. And is this something that Byron, that you discussed with Byron about? I really didn't bring him in. Have an attachment to your current spouse? Yes. And does he show some fear when dealing with communications or visits in the past? Yes. With the father? And so what you're requesting is in his best interest? Yes.
Okay,
Other questions? Mr. Chairman?
all right. Ad litem report.
Your Honor, and just in candor, the father did appear in court at earlier proceedings, and then at some point he just fell out and no longer participated. I never met him. He was appointed. I appeared after he no longer appeared after I was appointed. I did meet with the child, and he does have a strong bond with Mr. Scow, and he called Dad. And the other guy, Mr. Biological Father, just calls him by his first name. And I met with the child a year ago, and back a year ago, the child did have fears about visiting with his father and not really wanting to spend a lot of time with his father. There was an event where the police was called and it was kind of scary. for him. And so at that point, he did show some apprehension and some reluctance in visiting. But Mr. Aguinaga has clearly not visited in a year, and he's clearly not paid in a year. He did attempt to call me at different junctures, and I did advise him to get legal counsel, which I gave him names and I gave him numbers because he certainly needed to get legal advice. And to date, I have not heard anything else from him, and it's been more than a year.
Okay,
But I do believe that what is requested is in the child's best interest.
okay, thank you. Is there any further testimony?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the court grants the termination of the parent-child relationship. The court also finds that respondent was served with a copy of this petition on February the 2nd of 2022. That citation has been on file with the court since February 28th of 2022. There was no answer filed on behalf of respondent. He did make an appearance. However, he is not present here for today. And the court will grant the termination, has signed the order. Only modification I made to the order, it has that the child attended the hearing. I scratched that part out. All right, and I have signed all 3 of the copies of the order because we don't have my signature stamp yet. Is there anything else for the record? Okay, we're off the record. Thank you all.
We'll be back to it, Dr.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Okay.
so much for doing this.
You're welcome, of course. Okay, I'm guessing everyone else is here for the adoption?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. We're actually streaming live. I'm trying to, everybody loves adoptions. I'm trying to see if I can turn it around. Joey, can you help me? You gotta stand. Yeah, so I can.
I love that. They had shirts.
Oh, that's so cute.
That only jump there.
Okay, let me see. Oh, we got a puppy too.
Yeah, he's only 6 months, so he's still in training.
Oh, what kind of puppy?
He's a golden retriever.
See, I have a oh, he's so cute. He made me forget what I have. I have a German Shepherd.
Oh my goodness, I love him. I have a short day, and she's actually a service dog. She comes to the office with me every day.
Oh, my dog is 5 just like you. Your six? Oh my gosh, you're that is super cute. Out of my way, it is finally my adoption. Is it your adoption day? Are you excited? Okay, so after I finish up here, I'm going to come down there with you, okay? Because I need to give you something really cool, all right? She's shy. You have to come back around so we can see you.
I'm here, so you can just speak with mommy and dad, okay? Okay?
Okay, let me see, let me make sure. There we go. Okay, is everyone ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Oh, may I have your order?
Oh, I can't believe they don't have a stamp for you.
Oh, no. I
Like-
can.
It's awful.
It's only April.
The end of
The
April.
end of April, absolutely.
You don't have to sign all of those, Judge.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
sorry.
it's fine, it's fine.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Please don't cry, Devontae, because I'm gonna cry if you cry. I'm back. Yeah, I'm gonna
It's
get
a
my
great
dis-
occasion.
It is a great occasion. So y'all
I'm trying not to cry, but if everybody starts crying, we'll all
cry,
be
we all cry. This is bad. All right, so Savannah.
Okay, are we ready? Okay, we are on the record in cause number DF 2115961. Counsel, would you please state your name for the record?
Julie Quaid, Your Honor, for the co-petitioners.
Okay, so everyone who intends to testify, would you please raise your right hand? Okay, Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you will give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you all may lower your hands. Attorney Quay, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Savannah, could you state your name for the record?
Savannah Rose Harris.
And you're the petitioner and the biological mom in this suit for termination of Daryl Keith Lewis's parental right. Is that correct?
Yes.
And Nora Elaine Lewis was born on March the 21st, 2017, and resides in Dallas County, Texas. Is that
Yes.
correct? And is Nora here today?
Yes.
Okay. Is Daryl Keith Lewis the acknowledged father of Nora, having signed an acknowledgement of paternity in the hospital, March 28th, 2017?
Yes.
Were there any court-ordered conservatorships, guardianships, or other court-ordered relationships affecting Nora before you filed this petition? Does Nora own any significant property?
No.
Before the filing of this action, were there any court orders obligating Daryl to pay child support?
No.
And did he pay child support?
No.
To the best of your knowledge, does Nora have any Native American Indian ancestry?
No.
And you and Daryl and members of your family are not registered members of any tribe? Is that correct?
No.
Does Nora's biological father, Daryl Keith Lewis, sign an affidavit of voluntary relinquishment, which is on file with the court?
Yes.
And it is filed and notarized and signed by two people who witnessed his signature. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to take judicial notice of that.
Yes.
And he has not revoked that or contacted you to try to revoke it.
No.
And did Daryl affirm in that affidavit that termination of his rights was in the best interest of Nora?
Yeah.
And do you believe that it's in the best interest of Nora for Daryl's
Yes.
rights to be terminated? Daryl's attorney, Bradley Friedman, has signed the order of termination, agreeing to the form of the order. Is that correct?
Yes.
And a copy of that order has been submitted to the court.
Yes.
And you're asking the court to waive an ad litem or an amicus in this case.
Yes.
Witness, Your Honor. Okay, and start on the adoption questions.
Okay.
Okay. And you're a co-parent and a co-petitioner. I'm sorry, Joey is adding a little levity to the situation. Okay. You're a co-petitioner in the suit for adoption of Nora Elaine Lewis. Is that correct? And you and Devontae are married. Is that correct?
Yes.
Has Nora lived with you and Devontae for the preceding 6 months?
Yes.
And were the parental rights of Nora's biological father, Daryl Keith Lewis, terminated today in court?
Yes.
Or you're asking the court to do that? Are you her biological mom?
Yes.
And prior to the proceeding today, there was a favorable adoptive home study completed on your home in accordance with the family code.
Yes.
And you're asking the court to take judicial notice of that.
Yes.
You're asking the court to waive the requirement for a health, social, and genetic history report.
Yes.
And was a Texas Department of Public Safety criminal background check done on Devontae?
Yes.
And did it show that he does not have any relevant criminal history?
Yes.
And that background check is on file with the court?
Yes.
And you're asking the court to take judicial notice of that?
Yes.
And Nora was a resident of the state of Texas at the time that you filed this, and so no interstate compact laws apply. Is that correct?
Yes.
And an affidavit of non-compliance that you signed is on the record with the court.
Yes.
And do you understand that adoption, this is where I'm going to lose it, is final and forever? And once the judge grants the adoption, Nora will be Devontae's child forever and ever, just as if Nora had been born to him. And this will create a permanent parent-child relationship between Nora and Devontae's family.
Yes.
Do you believe that that's in the best interest of Nora that the court grant your petition of adoption?
Yes.
Do you understand that adoption is like a promise?
Yes.
Devontae is promising to love Nora forever and ever and keep her as part of his family
Yes.
forever. And you understand that if Devontae adopts Nora and you and Devontae ever divorce, there's a possibility that Devontae might be awarded primary custody of Nora and you might be ordered to pay child support.
Yes.
Exactly. Are you asking the court to officially change Nora Elaine Lewis's name to Nora Elaine Harris?
Yes.
You're asking the court to order the state of Texas Bureau of Statistics to issue a new birth certificate for Nora, changing her name and name Devontae as her legal parent.
Yes.
You're asking the court to grant the adoption of Nora Lane to Devontae, to take judicial notice of all the pleadings and the documents in the file, order her name to be changed as you've requested, and that the records and minutes of this court be sealed.
Yes.
Devontae Harris, can you state your name for the record?
Devontae Deshaun Harris.
And you're a co-petitioner in this suit, the adoption of Nora Elaine Lewis.
Yes, ma'am.
And she's subject to this suit, present with you here today.
Yes, ma'am.
And she has lived with you for the preceding 6 months. Were the parental rights of her biological father terminated on this day by the 250th Judicial District Court?
Yes, ma'am.
And a copy of that order is submitted to the court. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And your spouse, Savannah, is Nora's biological mom. Is that
Yeah.
correct?
Mhm.
And prior to the proceeding today, a favorable home study was done on your home and it's on file with the court.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to take judicial notice of that. Is there any reason why you need to take Nora to be examined by a physician or pediatrician during the time that she's resided with you? And are you satisfied with her health?
Yes.
Did the Texas Department of Public Safety conduct a criminal background check on you?
Yes, ma'am.
And did it show that you have no relevant criminal history? And that's on file with the court as well.
Yes.
So Nora is a resident of the state of Texas. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And y'all reside in Texas, so an affidavit of non-compliance has been filed with the court. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that adoption is final and forever. And once the judge grants this adoption, Nora will be your daughter forever and ever, just as if she had been born to you. And this will create a permanent parent-child relationship between you and Nora. You understand that means if you and Savannah divorce, you might be ordered to pay child support for Nora, the same as if she was your biological child.
Yes.
Do you believe that it is in the best interest of Nora that the
Yeah.
court grant your petition of adoption
Yes,
and
ma'am.
approve it? You understand that adoption is like a promise. And you are promising to love Nora forever and ever, and for a part of your family forever and ever.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to officially change Nora's name to Nora Elaine Harris. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to order the state of Texas to issue a new birth certificate for Nora, changing her name and naming you as her legal parent. You're asking the court to grant the adoption, Nora Elaine Lewis, to you, to take judicial notice of all the pleadings and documents in the file. Order Nora's name be changed as you requested, and that the records and minutes be sealed.
And all the testimony for the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court takes judicial notice of all contents of the court's file. The court finds that the respondent father was served with a copy of the petition for termination as well as adoption. He has filed a relinquishment with the court. The court grants the termination and also grants the adoption of Nora. Let me make sure I say her new name correctly. Nora Elaine Lewis. Nora Elaine Harris. That is her new name. And her father is Devontae Deshaun Harris. It is also granted the adoption, and congratulations.
Yay.
Okay, and here are the.
Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. Those that I'm handing you the termination order as well as the adoption, and I signed all 12 of them. And Your Honor, I just wanted to come down. Congratulations. Hey, babe. I have a German Shepherd, so you might smell them. Why you biting? You biting? Hello, baby. So we can take. Yeah. How are you? Give me a hug. I was so. Okay, I need you to do something for me. Can you see up here? I need you to pick out a Beanie Baby. Ooh. You can pick one of these, or you can pick one of these up here.
Yours.
The cute one. So do y'all want to take pictures?
With
Yeah.
you, yes.
Sure. Oh, you got the iPad too.
I'll get it.
Congratulations. You're welcome. Congratulations. Of course. We love adoptions in here. We love happy things, weddings, all that.
All right.
It's so nice to meet you, Nora Harris.
She does know it.
Nora, you want to smile?
Like, smile.
What's his name?
Joey.
Joey, smile.
Because I'm smiling, I'm a retriever, I smile. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Do it one more time. 1, 2, and 3.
Of course. Whoever's next.
Yeah, yeah.
Why don't y'all all get in there and I'll
Okay.
take a picture?
Yeah, let's take a group photo. He is really excited.
If you're gonna give me your phone, I'll take.
And you have to get in the picture. Yes. You have to get in the picture. Oh, Joey, can you get her phone too?
All right.
My name's Joey too, so that's.
Small world.
Joey.
Yep.
J. But my dad was Joey.
Very.
Okay, one more.
It's a good one.
It is, isn't it?
It is.
You don't hear it anymore, right?
Okay.
You did. Perfect.
I need you. No, that's yours. That is yours.
Let me take one more, just
Okay.
to.
Joey, can you give me a phone?
Yes.
Thank you. You're very welcome, dear. It's Nora Harris.
So much, y'all.
So nice to meet all of you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I'm the one save mom.
I can tell. He looks just like
Yeah,
John.
I'm like, I know who we were.
Oh. Bye, Joey. Very nice to meet you too. Congratulations. Bye. Oh, I'm sorry. So what are you gonna do to celebrate?
Ice cream.
The zoo? The zoo? Oh my gosh, what are your favorite animals? The giraffe. Oh, you gonna feed them?
6 one time.
Oh my gosh, you're so brave. I don't like her tongue touching me. Oh, they didn't touch you? They tried to touch me and I moved my hand real fast.
Even those leaves will let us cover.
Yeah. Super cute. Well, we have something else to give you as soon as she comes back.
This is like present day.
Oh.
I put everything on the back.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Everything on the back. In order, can I take a picture of you with mom?
Right there.
Want me to back to this? Oh, yes. Yes.
And happy.
Yeah.
Everybody needs pictures.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Nice, Granddad.
She's gonna send it to her. Oh, wait, we should. And you're the son.
But man.
Where you gonna be?
Where you wanna be?
Sure.
Oh, excellent.
TV babies.
Oh, excellent.
So the picture that we all took together, we're going to mail it to your attorney, okay? And here's a frame for you to put it in.
That is very nice.
Great day. You guys made it. Thank you. Enjoy. Have a good weekend. It is. You're gonna have to take time.
Did you see his, he matches the two of them with the dinosaurs, the little dinosaur.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
Thank you. Bye-bye. You all have a great weekend. Thank you. Okay, we have a wedding. Today. Good. A happy day. Friday. So is it Stephon or Stephen? Stephon Weaver and Rebecca Rodriguez. Okay. Are you all exchanging rings today too?
I mean, we have them, we don't have to though. We're just trying to get assigned.
Oh, I was about to say, we have rings.
Oh, no, we have our rings.
Okay, okay. We have the everyday bands because some people just do it, you know, like, oh, let's go get married.
yeah.
So if they don't have a ring, we just give them to them.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, we try to be thoughtful.
The women always have them, the men don't.
True.
The what?
The women always have the ring and the men don't.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, so Joey likes to make sure every man walks out of here with his ring on.
I'm like, if we're gonna wear it, y'all gotta wear it. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Okay. All right, so you all are going to stand right here in front of me and face each other like you're in love and stuff.
Y'all want pictures or videos of this? I can do it.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. Oh, he said wipe out the camera. That's important. It does make a difference though.
It does. Video or camera?
This will be the video.
Okay, so y'all gonna hold hands. All right, let me know you're ready. We are gathered here today to celebrate in holy matrimony the wedding of Stephon Weaver and Rebecca Rodriguez. The two of you have signed and agreed to waive the 72-hour statutory period. Is it your agreement to proceed with your wedding today? Okay, marriage is sacred. It is a covenant under God, and it should be entered into soberly and honestly. Stephon Weaver, do you take Rebecca Rodriguez to be your lawfully wedded wife, to love, honor, cherish her, be honest with her through sickness and in health until death do you part?
Yes.
Rebecca Rodriguez, do you take Stephon Weaver to be your lawfully wedded husband, to love, honor, cherish him, be honest with him through sickness and in health until death do you part? Okay, well, by the power vested in me and under the authority of the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's get your witnesses to sign.
A fun job here.
You know, we make it fun. Even on days where you don't have like weddings and adoption going on, because I mean, we talk about a lot of serious stuff in here.
Oh, okay, okay.
You know, I try to make sure my personality comes through.
Yes,
Puts
yes.
people at ease.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
You wanna take pictures?
Y'all ready to take pictures?
On the bench?
Oh, yeah, we can. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you all are gonna hold your license. It's over. So we'll get you all first, then I'll jump in your picture. And I love your dress. Thank you. Let me get this.
You want her to hold it or?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can do it right there.
Yeah, I'll hold it, it's yours. Okay. I'm gonna send this one to you. So
Let me just take a picture of this, right?
we'll send you that picture that we all took, and here's a frame for you to put it in there.
Oh, awesome, thank you.
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Congratulations.
Yeah. I gotta take it back, or, you know, where you got it from, you gotta take it back. Yes.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Judge, we do have one.
Oh, yeah, we do have one for. Yes. We do divorces in here, but anybody we marry, you cannot get a divorce. Let's flip this back around.
Hi, Judge.
It's been a great day.
I know. Well, maybe it's a good thing that mine did not turn out, you know, to be done super fast. I saw an adoption and you know, all that. So and seems like my client is in the office right now. He said he's logging in, and the interpreters also said he is logging back in. So yes, I finally have all of them.
Yeah, look at that on Friday before 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right, so let me pull your case up. EF 2214-864.
Yes.
Okay. Looks like your client is still connecting to audio.
Okay.
Judge, he won't need the audio because I'm going to be interpreting over the phone.
Oh, yes, that's correct. Will he just turn on his video?
Hold on. Señor,
I sent him a prompt too.
Yeah, I think he's in my office and my paralegal should be with him. So
okay.
Oh, good.
Okay, are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, we are on the record in cause number DF 22-14864. Counsel, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, I am Josia Jose. I represent Gregorio Hurtado.
Okay. And Mr. Murillo, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will properly translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Thank you. And would you please identify yourself for the record?
My name is Manuel Murillo, license number 1641.
Thank you. And is it Garcia or Hurtado?
Hurtado.
Hurtado, okay. They have Garcia on the paper I'm looking at. Mr. Hurtado, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you'll give will be the truth and the whole truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You may lower your hand. Attorney Jose, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Hurtado, you have been a resident of Texas for at least 1 year now.
Yes, I've lived here since 95.
Okay. Have you been a resident of Dallas County for the past 3 months?
Yes.
Okay. And you are currently married to your wife, Miss Maria Rodriguez, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You married Miss Rodriguez on or about May of 2008, is that true?
Yes,
And you both ceased to live together as husband and wife on or about 2012. Is that correct?
yes,
You both decided to separate because your marriage became insupportable because of discord or conflict of personalities between you and your wife?
yes.
And you do not expect any reconciliation at this time?
No, no, not at all.
And both of you do not have any child under the age of 18, correct?
No, no, we didn't have children or anything.
Okay, and you both do not have any properties together, correct?
No,
Okay, and you have served your wife with this petition for divorce sometime in November last year, correct?
yes,
And to your understanding, your wife has not filed any response to this petition, correct?
yes,
Okay. Are you asking this court to grant you a divorce at this time?
well, yes.
Okay, that's all. Pass the witness, Judge.
Thank you. The court finds that the respondent was served with a copy of this petition on November the 9th of 2022. That citation, the return has been on file with the court since November of 16th of 2022. The respondent fails to file an answer or make any appearance in this case and is in default. The court has signed the default decree, grants the divorce, and you all will receive a copy of it today.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you all for being here and have a great weekend.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
Judge. Have
your
a great weekend.
patience, Judge, and
Of
may be
course.
excused.
Yes, you may. Thank you. Bye-bye.